Someone... Yeah, that's cool. No, it's cool. Good. Yeah, good. Someone built an NES that could probably murder you. Oh, that's exactly what you need. Oh, my God.
Huh?
Oh, my God.
That's fun, eh?
The Nestroyer. It kind of reminds me of BattleBots. Remember that show? A lot of those bots would have that kind of spinning saw blade on the front of it.
Yeah, that's what this is, actually.
Oh, it's a BattleBot?
Something like that.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Having previously built fabulous creations such as the world's fastest Roomba and an aquatic drone with a first-person camera controlled via head tracking, Australian maker ElectroSync's latest creation is likely to inspire fear in the hearts of Sega Master System owners, featuring a dangerous blade capable of easily slicing through flesh, watermelons, and beer cans. ElectroSync's NES Destroyer, or NES Destroyer, is a mechanical death machine. So you just pop open that. Now, normally, this is where you
put the
would insert your cartridge after you blow on it. Look at all those cool pink components inside there. But instead, you're going to be greeted with a terrifying prospect, which is, of course... Oh, there you go. Those are those BattleBots I'm talking about.
Yeah. Fun to watch, actually.
And they have different weight classes. Now, this one is obviously going to get tremendous style points, but I don't know about the durability of the plastic shell. Mm-hmm. So this comes to us via YouTube channel ElectroSync, so definitely go check that out. But maybe just fast forward here to the actual demo. He shows a very comprehensive building of the device and the blade, and look at that. It all fits in there quite beautifully, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Spin. And let's watch it chop something real quick, if you don't mind, Will. Here's a watermelon. Perfect. We got the camera angle. Spits out. Zoom. Is it? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to stick your finger in there.
That'll cut your fingertip off.
Trying to put a game in there or something.
It gets a little messy with the bits of watermelon heading into the chamber there.
Yeah.
Cool creation. Very unusual.
Yeah. Shout out.
And shout out.